Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw Lord Hanuman, the symbol of strength, devotion, and courage. This is a complete, step-by-step, pencil sketch tutorial, perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. So, take your pencils and let's start this divine artwork together. Jai Shri Hanuman. Start with the eyes. They should show peace, devotion, and strength. Now, let's move on to Hanuman Ji's face, the most expressive part of our drawing. Draw a soft, calm smile to represent his divine energy. Next, outline the nose and the jawline carefully. First, let's start with the basic outline using an HB pencil. Remember, Hanuman Ji's face should reflect and veer power at the same time. Shoulders and chest. Once the main body is shaped, start refining the outlines. Now we'll focus on the body and muscles. Add small details like the tilak or bindi on the forehead. Bhakti, devotion. Your lines very light. This will help us erase and adjust easily. Use a blending stump or tissue to give soft shadows under the arms and neck. comes the most satisfying part, shading. Make sure the focus stays on Hanuman Ji's face and upper body. And that's our complete Lord Hanuman drawing. I hope you enjoyed this full tutorial and learned something new today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more God drawings every week. Comment below and tell me which God you'd like me to draw next, Lord Shiva, Krishna, or Ganesh Ji. Thank you for watching till the end. Jai Shri Hanuman.